Well, welcome back. Today I'm going to be polishing my headlights. I have the Maguire's polishing kit. Consists of this thing. These are 2 sanding discs and the mystery whatever. And then for the final buff it has this thing with this whatever the hell it is. Anyway, that's what the light looks like now. This is kind of the before. I've been working on this one. This is like the after. I like to put the tape around the edges so I don't scratch the paint. So we've got this side tape now. We're going to start with this. We're going to start with the more coarse. Yeah, it looks like this one's a 1000 grit sandpaper. This is a 3000. So you start with the more coarse one. Put it on this little doohickey. And you have to use water because this is a wet sanding. So I've wet this pad. And I think for the instructions it said just to go up and down. Light pressure. And I forgot to mention I did start by thoroughly cleaning the light. So in between coats I have a wet towel. I'm going to wipe that off. Gonna probably do it twice with the 1000 grit. So that's two times I've sanded it with the 1000 grit. And you might be thinking, well, Jesus, it looks worse. Well, it's a process. Typically with polishing, you need to sand it smoother and smoother before you go to the buffing wheel. This is the second time I'm sanding it with the 3000. And it's important that you have this pad because it holds it flat. Because if you hold sandpaper with your fingers, it tends to make gouges. So it's good to have this to keep it flat. Okay. So that's 2 with the 1000, 2 with the 3000. We'll wipe this off. This is a wet towel. Or a wet cotton. So the only difference between these two right now is this one's been sanded and buffed. This one's getting ready to be buffed. So you can see it does kind of have a haze on it. I might sand it one more time with the 3000. Alright, now we're getting out whatever this is. Mixed it up. And I like to put it on my finger and put about maybe 25 dots on it. Let me show you. Okay, got that. We get the drill. I like to put the drill in gearbox 2. This on here. Get it spinning. If you go too fast, it just flings the polish. So let me set this down. So this is polished one time with the wheel. I'm going to wipe off the excess wet cotton. Okay, so that's what it's starting to look like. It's looking better. I just seen some hazing down here. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's from the inside. This light was pretty simple to do. This corner, I'm going to have to just manually sand that little bit. with the 1000 and the 3000, and then try to buff it. And you don't want the buffing wheel to hit your paint because it might take it off. Alrighty, thanks for watching.